Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And for today's table topic, let me grab it. Uh, the table topic for today is where do you find inspiration? Where do you find inspiration? Where do I find inspiration? A lot of different people have different ways to get motivated, different ways to get inspired. And for me, uh, I look around and I find my inspiration from anything like lots of different people. If you were to ask me around like 10 years ago that what were my ideas, right? I had like 1 or 2% in top of my head. Yeah, I idolize these person. But today, if you were to ask me what kind of people I admire, what kind of people I really like, who are your idols, right? It's very difficult to pick a one name because I drew my inspiration from very like very different set of people. I walking down on the road, I may get inspired from my kid as well. I may get inspired from a laborer as well. I may get inspired from the person who delivers milk to our house daily. So there are a lot of ways that from where get my inspiration, and why it motivates me. It gives me uh, it allows me to reflect. It allows me to understand that yes, life is going well. I have a sense of gratitude as well. A lot of time we get stuck in that kind of habit comparing with others. We look at the people ahead of you and realize that they are ahead of me. That is not the right way to look at it, because the only thing that you should compare yourself is to yourself only. You should compare yourself that the day before yesterday or maybe the year ago. How were you? Have you improved or not? And when we look at the outside uh, comparison, we should not, we get an inspiration, but we should not compare ourselves, because there are going to be a lot of people ahead of you. There are going to be a lot of people behind you. And if you think that you are not getting the desired success and you deserved it, think about other people as well. So it will open a new door of possibility, new door of inspiration as well. Thank you. That's it for today. Thank you all.